Hi everyone, welcome to the 8th episode of Xtreme Update. Breaking news: Xtreme Media has set the bar higher than ever before by commissioning 70,000 square feet of LED displays in the last 6 months. The pace at which our screens are transforming the landscape of the OH industry is remarkable. Xtreme Media has recently installed its best-selling LED displays from Rigel Plus series for one of the industry's leading players, renowned for their innovative OH media solution. With maximum brightness of 5,500 nits, this outdoor screen delivers breathtaking visuals even in the brightest daylight. Designed to withstand all weather conditions, the screen comes with an impressive IP65 rating. Xtreme Media also offered an Xtreme Platina 7-year warranty at no extra cost, accompanied with vigilant IoT monitoring that regularly checks the display's health, thereby assuring peace of mind to our clients. Big installations are on the horizon and they've got something extraordinary in store for you. So stay tuned for the next episode.